Crosby's HR-125 swivel hoist ring is the premier component for connecting rigging to the load. The swivel hoist ring provides 100% of rated capacity at any horizontal angle of loading when properly installed. This performance is achieved because it swivels 360 degrees and pivots 180 degrees. You're assured of Crosby quality by the information stamped onto each swivel hoist ring. Included is the company name or logo. Also, the product identification code or PIC used for material traceability is located on each load-bearing component. It's important to note that all load-bearing components of our swivel hoist rings are heat-treated, utilizing Crosby's perfected quench and tempering process. The product is available in both UNC and metric threads. UNC threads are available in working load limit capacities from 800 pounds to 30,000 pounds, with a design factor of 5:1. Metric threads come in working load limit capacities from 400 kilograms to 16,900 kilograms and have dual design load factors of 4:1 and 5:1. In addition, all swivel hoist rings are furnished individually proof-tested to 2.5 times the working load limit with certification. The product is also fatigue-rated to 20,000 cycles at 1.5 times the working load limit. And finally, each product comes individually packaged with application instructions and warning information. UNC thread bolts are grade 8 alloy socket head cap screws designed to ASTM A574. Threads are UNC 3A. Metric bolts are grade 12.9 alloy socket head cap screws designed to DIN 912. Threads meet ASME ANSI B18.3.1M standards for metric threads. The bolt on the swivel is secured by an E-clip, which allows for easy disassembly and assembly necessary for periodic inspections. Calculating load limits with the S279 machinery Eyebolt is straightforward. Using 2 slings in a true inline load, each side will see half the total weight. From the Crosby lifting guide, notice that for a 90-degree horizontal sling angle, the load angle factor is 1. In this example, the total load is 5,000 pounds, which is divided by 2 for each sling leg, and then multiplying by the load factor, which is 1. The result is that each side lifts 2,500 pounds. To select the proper bolt, refer to the Crosby lifting guide. Note that the panel does not mention the S279 because the information is the same for all Crosby shoulder eyebolts. We need to select an eyebolt whose working load limit exceeds the required load of 2,500 pounds, which in this case is a 1/2-inch machinery eyebolt with an inline working load limit of 2,600 pounds. Let's now look at how increasing the horizontal angle affects the size fitting required. For 60 degrees, the load angle factor is 1.155. Again, we divide the load of 5,000 pounds by 2 and then multiply by the load factor to determine the load each sling leg will see. In this case, each sling is loaded to 2,887.5 pounds. We will round the calculated load to 2,888 pounds. Referring to the lifting guide, you will notice 4 columns showing the rated capacity of Crosby shoulder eyebolts at various horizontal angles. Crosby shoulder eyebolts have a catalog rating based on inline loading. As side loading occurs on the eyebolts, they must be down-rated. The smaller the horizontal angle, the greater the reduction in the working load limit. As an example, let's look at the 1/4-inch size. At 90 degrees or inline, the rating is 650 pounds. As the horizontal angle changes, so does the resulting working load limit of the eyebolt. At 60 degrees, the rating is 420 pounds. At 45 degrees, the rating is 195 pounds. And at horizontal angles less than 45 degrees, the working load limit has been reduced to 160 pounds. For additional information or videos about the many products and services offered by the Crosby Group, you may contact Crosby direct at 1-800-772-1500. and visit our website at www.thecrosbygroup.com for the latest updates on our products and services. Or you can email us at crosbygroup@thecrosbygroup.com.